In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix HTTP 4 and 13 payload too large errors in Claude MCP. This error, also called payload too large, appears when what you send is bigger than the system is willing to accept in a single go. It often happens when you upload very large files in one request, paste extremely long prompts, attach too many files at once, or run multi-file MCP sessions that exceed the token or context limit. First, shrink what you send. If you're handling big data sets, split them into smaller chunks. For example, use split style 1000 large file.csv chunk to break a large CSV into manageable pieces. Only load what Claude actually needs. A focused command like Claude MCP load src backend keeps things lean and avoids pulling in heavy directories such as node modules. Next, keep prompts compact by working in stages. Instead of a single mega request, break the work into clear passes. Generate API routes, generate front-end pages, connect back-end to front-end, then review and optimize. Resist the urge to paste your entire project in one prompt. Smaller focused prompts are both faster and more reliable. Leverage context 7 mode to keep prompts short while Claude maintains multi-file memory. Initialize with Claude MCP initialize, context 7, then load only the key folders with Claude MCP load, src, backend. From there, use MCP subagents to operate on specific parts of your project, which keeps each interaction tight and under the limit. If you're on the Pro plan, you can raise the allowed tokens for bigger tasks. For example, with Claude Opus 4.5, run Claude settings set max for tokens 50,000. This lets you send larger requests when necessary, but don't rely on it alone. Keep splitting huge files and structuring prompts well. For bulky JSON, CSV, or Markdown, compression helps. Run gzip large file.json, then load the gzip file with Claude MCP load large file json.gz. Depending on your CLI version, Claude can read compressed files directly, saving payload room. Always keep your tools up to date. Run Claude Update to get the latest Claude Code CLI, since older versions may enforce smaller payload limits. Work incrementally to stay below thresholds. Load one folder at a time. Claude MCP